mobile battery replacement service, Cardiff. Guys, if you're looking for a mobile battery replacement service, please look in the description to the links to my website where you can get all my contact details and learn more about the services I offer around Cardiff and Caerphilly. Whether you need a jump start or a battery replacement, we will need another cold cranking ounce of your battery. Well, the registration will do, then we can get a cold cranking ounce for that car. But I will also do a free car diagnostics, a battery internal resistance test, alternator and crank test, free with the service as well before I change your battery, to diagnose why your battery has gone dead. Because you might not need a battery, you might just need a new alternator, so it might save you some money. So if you need my help, look in the description for the links to my website, my phone number, or if you're on the website and watching this video, look above and below and you'll see the contact page and my phone number. Thank you.